Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, it sounds like it's working today.
Yes.
I'm getting a response. That was really pesky last week.
Yes, I know. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
So we're going to start with an F major 1 octave scale using eighth notes and the bowing that's at the beginning of the rondo. So we're going to start on an and. Slur, her, slur, her, slur, her. And then when we get to the top of the scale, I'll probably count it in again because I hadn't come up with a good way to kind of turn around. So that should give everybody a chance here. Make sure we're not fighting. All right. 1 octave scale. It's like we're starting on the end of 2. 1 and 2. Alright, so end of 2 again. 1 and 2. Again, this time start up bow. 1 and 2. Scale, so there's longer to play before I count it off again. 1 and 2. Okay, breathe. 1 and 2. Breathe again. We'll start up bow on each half this time. 1 and 2. Breathe. 1 and 2. Still up bow. 1 and 2. One and 2. Great. So we're going to switch into the rondo. I know last week I was not at all picky about what direction people were trying to start it. We're going to do some of both today. Beginning with, I'll play violin part first. And we will start it on a down bow that you have a sense of where the beat is happening. This is the first 9 measures. Hot off the press, I see. 1 and 2. time, same section, start at up bow, which I think is going to lay better. One and two. Alright, so still start at up bow, but I'm going to zip over and play the cello part. And what I want you to do as you're playing it is be counting the eighth notes all the time, even though the metronome is clicking quarter notes. So I want you to have a feeling of two, but to be subdividing the four, if that makes sense. You're starting up bow, cellos are starting down bow. One and two. Which I think puts us at the same measure, yes. Let's do that again. Violins are starting up bow, cellos are starting down bow. And I'm going to add on this time, so be ready to keep counting. One and two. So that would put us at the next kind of phrase end. Okay, so same amount again. I will still play cello part. Violins are still starting up bow. Cellos are still starting down bow. One and two. So I'd like to start pick up to 9, and the goal measure is the end of 24. I will still play cello part this time. So I will say 1 and 2, the cellos play on the and. Violins will come in on 1. 1 and 2. Alright, so this time through we're going to do the same amount. I'm still playing cello part. I'm going to leave off the pickup note that leads into 25 in the cello part. So just being clear about that for whichever way you're hearing it. This is pick up to 9. 1 and 2. going to play violin part this time. And confirm that everything was going well. 1 and 2. Pick up to 9. 1 and 2. Alright, so in measure 16, last note, please mark that with an up bow, violins. And then it is your choice. So measure 9, start down. And then measure 13, you can lift or you can not lift. Or you can decide with your teacher. But definitely make the 16 last note up bow like the beginning, because that lets you finish on your F on a down bow, which is nicer. The cello bowing is kind of backwards to you in a lot of places, so I won't talk about that in any detail at this point. Let's go from the beginning that far one more time. And I'm inclined to play the cello part so that you guys have something to fit against. Up bows ready. 1 and 2. My fault. You did fine. I was like, I don't have the click. I probably could have stayed even. But just in case, I'll be extra nice about it and not get faster. 1 and 2. Good. So we're going to go into the next section, but we're not going to start at the beginning of it. So I'd like you to find 30, 31, 32, measure 33 with the pickup. So it's on the line underneath the key change, so F sharp, last note of the measure, and we're going to do kind of that section about 8 measures. 1 and 2. That's the spot. So there again. 1 and 2. that should make it come less as a surprise when we get there. Play it one more time, and I will play what the cellos have against that. That's 33 with the pickup. 1 and 2. We'll do that 2 one more times. Same spot. 1 and 2. Alright, so we are going to go back to pick up to 25. And I'm going to play cello part first, since they have melody things first. And then you guys have the melody that we just practiced. So this is pick up to 25, the note I was leaving off a little bit ago. 1 and 2. And that would put us at the next key change. Looks like everybody made it. We will do once again from pick up to 25. I'm still playing the cello part. One and 2. So I'm going to bump back over to the violin side. The cellos have something to practice against. So I still count it in the same, although cellos you'll have to come in ahead of when I start to play. Pick up to 25, 1 and 2. Everybody okay? Yeah, heads are nodding. That's a good sign. Alright, so we are going to go on. And I'll play the violin part first, since they have the melodic material first, and it'll be once again a pickup note. So this is pick up to measure 49, which is the key change. And in the interest of time, we're going to bravely try and make it to the end. Do start that on an up bow. I'll mark that one that I remembered I said that. So from the C at measure, pick up to measure 49, 1 and 2. So mark what you need to. Obviously pick up to 65 will be an up bow as well. Alright, back to pick up to 49. I'm still playing violin side. 1 and 2. Same place, please, and I will switch to the cello part, so make sure you're subdividing all those eighth notes. This is pick up to 49 where the key change is. 1 and 2. My fault. Could we just go back to the same spot? 1 and 2. and try that again. I'll still play the cello side. 1 and 2. Good deal. So hopefully that's a little clearer than it was last time. Yeah, the last chord up is going to be nicer than with an open A, if you're in tune. Any comments or questions? Now's your chance.
Hey, Mayor.
Yeah.
The last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 measures plus pickup, we went up into third position. So we have 2, 4, 3, a cross string, 2, 4, 3, go back, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, and you can stay there. Your third finger is in tune, and just add your second, and that eliminates the open and eliminates the string crossing.
That's good. That's very good. I mean, you figure when I play it on the cello, I eliminate the string crossing by... But then I don't have an E string, so...
Yeah, well, if you've got players who can play, that would be helpful.
Yes. So, I think third position there is good. And it looks like it measured 10, where I said start down bow, and then I said 13 was your choice. It looks like if you start down bow again, that turns you back around at your up bow where I want you to be.
Yeah,
But that's definitely a
what
phrasing choice. And then same thing in the 60 range when it comes back. You can do them both the same. Other comments, concerns?
Nice lesson, thank you.
You're welcome.
I really like the movement.
I do too. I mean, theoretically it's faster, but I think this is kind of our top limit at this point. Because some of the parts are easy, but the shifty parts and the cello part are not as easy. And if you're in the same room with someone, you really, really, really have to count those eighth notes. Like, you can't fudge when you're coming in or when you're not coming in. So that's another reason why I keep drilling these different starting spots, so that if something happens, you can recover. Carla wants to have a party in her driveway that everybody plays together or something. Tired of looking at everybody's face, and it's starting to get warmer, you know, spring fever, so who knows what will actually happen. But in any case, yes.
She's not with us today.
Yeah, she's had like a girls' weekend, something, travel, sailing, I don't know. I'm sure she'll tell us all about it.
That's excellent. The next person who doesn't show up will plan a party in their driveway.
Well, it's not like there's a date or anything. It's just a comment.
Okay.
Alrighty. Everybody have a great week.
I don't think we want a party in your driveway. No. All 3 feet of it. Porch. Have a good day, everyone.
Bye-bye.